Hi, this is Colin Rowan with Pecan Street. This quick participant tutorial explains how to view your home energy use and generation data online. You'll need three things to get started. First is the eGauge portal link that Pecan Street emailed you after installation. The second is your username, and the third is your password. All of these are unique to you, and we keep them all secure. So if you're missing one or more of these items, email Rachel Jenkins at rjenkins@pecanstreet.org and we will resend them to you. To get started, you can click on the eGauge link we sent you, or you can type in the full URL address in your browser. You'll see a pop-up window for your username and password. Enter them and click Sign In. That should take you to the view you see here. Most of the screen will load immediately, but it may take your data a few seconds to load. Most of the screen will be the data visualization section. This is where you'll see energy use and, if you have solar panels connected to the system, your energy generation over time. This gauge on the right shows the real-time energy use and generation of your entire home. As things turn on and off, you'll see this fluctuate up and down in real time. If you have solar panels, you'll also see a shaded area during times when your panels are generating more energy than your home is using. For most of our users, this shaded area estimates the amount of energy your home is sending back to the grid. This area adjusts the units of electricity for the display area. We recommend keeping this on auto so the scale will adjust as you work. This area adjusts the time frame that will be displayed. It ranges from a very short 10-minute view, which will allow you to see small changes by the second. Even though the view can go all the way out to 1 year, you'll only be able to see data going out about 1 week, since we're collecting data at the 1-second level now. 1 year would be a lot of data to load. Below the display area are the individual circuits that you can toggle on and off. Keep in mind that each of our homes measures different circuits, so this section may look different for you. In this sample home, we are monitoring energy use and generation. On the use side, we measure the whole home power use and the use of the air conditioner, oven, and the sub-panel inside the home. Your home may include an EV charger, a refrigerator, or other specific energy uses. For generation, we can see how much power was generated by the solar panels, and then we can compare the energy used and generated to calculate how much energy is being pulled from the grid, or, when solar generation is greater than use, how much energy is being sent back to the grid. The blue and green sections above the display area provide quick estimates for total energy used and generated, and the net, which will show as bought or sold. Note that the dollar amounts here are estimates only, based on utility rates that you may have shared with our team. And that's a quick tour. If you have any questions, please reach out to Rachel Jenkins at rjenkins@pecanstreet.org, and she'll help you troubleshoot any problems.